So just a quick little video here to show you the LED setup I'm doing at this bar back. So there's a lot of stuff going on here, a lot of stuff I can talk about, but just to give you a quick sort of overall feel of what's going on here. Step back a little bit. It's not complete yet, but we have 2 shelves, and on the top of there will be another additional cabinet. So it's not done yet, but I've got 2 shelves done so far. They're Govee lights from Amazon, and I've created little access panels for the wireless or the Bluetooth transmitters. And this is Muzada, I think, LED channel from Amazon again that I've installed in this cabinet here.